If you use Firefox for browsing, gaming, design work, or web apps, and WebGL is not working properly, this video will show you exactly how to enable it step by step. WebGL helps websites use your computer's graphics hardware, which can improve performance and unlock features on many modern sites. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more quick and useful software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button, the three horizontal lines, also called the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can adjust performance and advanced browser options. Now on the settings page, use the search bar and type Performance. This is the fastest way to find the performance-related options without scrolling through everything manually. Once you see the Performance section, scroll down until you find Use Recommended Performance Settings. If that box is checked, untick it. This step is important because Firefox hides some advanced controls when the recommended settings are enabled. After unchecking that option, make sure the setting that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available is ticked. Hardware acceleration allows Firefox to use your graphics card for better rendering performance, and it can help WebGL work properly on supported systems. If it is not already enabled, click the box to turn it on. Next, open a new tab in Firefox. In the address bar, type About Config and press Enter. Firefox will show you a warning page saying this could void your warranty or affect stability. On that page, click Accept the risk and continue. This gives you access to Firefox's advanced configuration settings. Once you are inside About Config, look for the search bar at the top. Type WebGL Enable. This will filter the advanced preferences related to WebGL. Now look for the setting called WebGL Enable Draft Extensions. If this value is set to false, click the toggle switch to change it to true. This can help enable WebGL-related functionality that some websites require. After that, also check the main WebGL setting if it appears in your results. If it is disabled, make sure it is turned on as well. The goal here is to ensure Firefox is allowed to use WebGL features properly. Once you have made these changes, you can close the tab and restart Firefox to make sure everything refreshes correctly. Then visit the website or web app that needed WebGL and test it again. In most cases, these changes should allow WebGL content to load and run the way it should. And that's it. You've now enabled WebGL in Firefox by adjusting performance settings, turning on hardware acceleration, and updating the advanced config options. If this video helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Firefox and browser tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.